Hello, my name is Rajesh Kumar Singh and this is my favorite toy. The concept of zero is given by the Indian and the decimal also. If we understand, if we see our around, we see like our earth is like a zero. Okay. Similarly, the economic cycle is also like a zero. Okay. Human life is also like a zero. Okay. So let's understand the economic cycle. Economic cycle start with growth. When growth is maintained, it is well, but it is when stuck with unforeseen contingencies like war or uh, pandemic or any corruption or anything happen in the country or worldwide, the whole world is suffer. That is why the the growth is declining and it's gone into the recession. In recession, if government do not take precautionary measure, it suddenly the demand goes down and the unemployment and poverty is raising. So it further escalated to depression. In depression, what happened? In depression means the crime is happened more oftenly. People are fighting with each other, or we see the war between the neighboring countries and tension between them, and trade war is going to start. If we tackle the properly, then our we come out of how we come out of the depression. Okay, so we government has to take precautionary measure like has to create unemployment so that people are engaged with the work, and also the government has to take the revenue from the companies and through people through taxes. Okay, there are two types of taxes: direct tax and indirect tax. Direct tax are imposed directly on income, and indirect tax, which is imposed on indirectly on goods and services. Okay, so when in depression, what happened? Government tax collection is not going to come because we people don't have a income. Similarly, if government going to fund just like in India, government has boosted the Atmanirbhar through Atmanirbhar package. Okay, government given the fund to MSME and empower the startups and like that, and like poor people giving subsidized free cylinder, free food, so that people not get angry. That means what? They don't get upset or they don't get unrest among the people of India. So from this, how we, if they are people are satisfied, they get food and yeah, all this thing, then there is no matter. But sometime we have to create the demand. For creating the demand, we need to have some demand like electricity and water, houses, and and many infrastructure facility we need. So we have to engage them through taking precautionary measures. We can come out of depression or from recession. See, then again we climb up to prosperity. We are witnessing right now V-shaped recovery. Okay, so this is a very good sign for economy, and for water cycle, what I'm trying to tell, when we have see that in summer season we have seen that through hot climate, water get vapor and goes into the sky, and it's tuned into the cloud, which cloud is again come and struck with the mountain or the hot or humid weather, which is crash with each other. Then rain happen. Again, that rain come down into the earth, and through through tree or absorbed to the goes into the wi- under the earth. Okay, so when tree is absorbing the water and send the water into the earth, similarly those water which cannot be absorbed by the surface of the earth is gone into the river, or again that river gone into the ocean, and this is called water cycle. Similarly, if we see that human cycle, human take birth as a child, he's grow as a child 10 years. After that he become a young person. After that he young person, he got married or all this thing, it is a middle age. Okay, and after that he become old person. This is also like a human cycle or animal cycle. Everybody has a cycle. So this is the importance of the ball. If we see that, okay, what it teaches us, it teaches us when we get born, our death is also is written. Similarly, there is a in economics that prosperity, growth, recession, depression, and again prosperity. This is a cycle. It happened in 10 years or 50 years or 100 years. Similarly, and in yearly, we can see that the climate, the rainy season come in India every 1 year. Okay, this is a significance of zero. Okay, that's it. Thank you.